1. Egg. I had scrambled egg for my breakfast.
Aww.
2. Ham. Would you like another slice of ham/beef? Peanut butter. I have bread and peanut butter for my breakfast.
4. Bacon. This bacon is too salty for me.
5. Beans. I usually have beans on toast for my breakfast. 6. Bread. This bread is fresh.
7. Butter. She spreads butter on her toast.
8. Jam. I had a quick meal of bread and jam.
9. Tea. I am very fond of sipping milk tea.
10. Hot chocolate.
Hello.
This hot chocolate is incredibly smooth and rich.
11. Coffee. I like to have black coffee with my breakfast. 12. Donut. There were jelly, blueberry, apple crumb, strawberry frosted donuts.
13. Porridge. I ate the porridge she had made.
14. Muffin. The delicious smell of freshly made muffin came from the kitchen.
15. Pancakes. I like to pour the maple syrup on my pancakes.
16. Waffle. My mother likes to eat waffle.
'Croissant.
She bit into a croissant and slipped her hot tea.
18. Yogurt. I eat my low-fat yogurt with my cereal.
19. Cereal. I try to finish up my cereal before it goes all soggy.
20. Cheese. I think this cheese is a bit old, judging by the smell of it.
21. Milk. Do you take milk in your tea?
"22. Sausage. I had some grilled pork sausage.
23. Orange juice. She poured freshly squeezed orange juice in her glass.
"24. Apple. I took a bite out of the apple.
25. Bagel. There's nothing better than bagel.
26. Cream. Do you like cream in your coffee?